Hello and welcome to today's video lesson on vertical lettering as it relates to technical drawing. In this lesson, we will explore the principles of vertical capitals, numerals, and lowercase lettering and their application in technical drawings. Understanding vertical lettering. Vertical lettering plays a crucial role in technical drawing as it ensures clear and precise communication of information. Whether it's indicating measurements, labels, or annotations, vertical lettering adds clarity and professionalism to technical drawings. Vertical capitals. When it comes to technical drawing, using vertical capitals is essential for creating clear and easily readable text. Here are a few key points to keep in mind. Vertical capitals should be consistently spaced and aligned vertically. Each capital letter should occupy the same amount of space, maintaining uniformity in the text. Numerals. Numerals in technical drawing are equally important for conveying numerical information accurately. When using vertical numerals, ensure that numerals are consistently aligned and spaced vertically. Maintain uniformity in the height and width of each numeral for consistency and clarity. Vertical lowercase lettering. In some technical drawings, vertical lowercase lettering may be necessary, especially for conveying detailed information. Here's what to consider. Similar to vertical capitals, maintain consistent spacing and alignment for vertical lowercase letters. Pay attention to the ascenders and descenders of lowercase letters to ensure uniformity and readability. Application in technical drawing. Now let's apply what we've learned to the selected text. The American Water Inclusion and Diversity Scholarship. Vertical capitals and numerals. When incorporating this text into a technical drawing, ensure that the vertical capitals and numerals are aligned consistently and spaced uniformly to maintain readability. Each letter and numeral should have equal width and height, contributing to a clear presentation. Vertical lowercase lettering. If including vertical lowercase lettering, remember to maintain uniform spacing and alignment to ensure the text is easily legible and professional in appearance. In conclusion, vertical lettering is a fundamental aspect of technical drawing that significantly contributes to the clarity and professionalism of the final product. By understanding and applying the principles of vertical capitals, numerals, and lowercase lettering, you can enhance the communication of information in technical drawings. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more lessons on technical drawing. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe so that we can keep making more videos for you and your educational journey.